What's going on, sports fans? First edition of DL box break going on here. I've done some other box breaks, but only by myself, just to kind of test out the YouTube and doing videos and kind of learning how to talk on camera. Really paid off, obviously. So here we are. We got Derek and Lorraine here, my renowned girlfriend, famous and infamous. We're gonna break 2000. I forgot the year. We got 2013 NFL Panini Prizm. Nice little freshly sealed box here. 2 autographs per box, along with some refractors and all of the above. One of our cool experiences. We mentioned this in our intro video. She's a big Packers fan. Let's go. There's a Rodgers jersey. I'm a big Chargers fan. It's been that way forever. Also a big Angels fan. That has nothing to do with this particular break. But we're going to be keeping probably the Packers cards from this break because she's starting her own collection. She's brand new to collecting sports cards. Part of this whole experience is getting her some Packers cards for her collection, so it's kind of cool. We're going to be breaking all types of varieties of years, brands, and all that type of stuff, box at a time. So you guys get to see all types of stuff. A lot of cool stuff for sports cards. So here we go. We're going to break it. 2013 NFL Panini Prizm. No, I don't have a cool little Panini box cutter majigger. So I'm just not cool, is the point. That's just for show anyways. Let's go ahead and prop up the camera a bit. That way we can show. Here we go. Let's see what's up here. Very nice. Just like we practiced. No, just kidding. Alright, so how many packs in here? A million? 48?
Yes, 20 packs.
Is it 20?
6 in each pack.
Is it really 20 packs? A lot of freaking packs. Alright, we're going to be here for a while, guys, so get your snacks, get your drinks. We got 20 packs to break. Hopefully this is a hot, loaded box. Some extra autos or something cool like that, but we'll see. Alright, here we go. Stacks on stacks of packs. So here's yours to break. Or are we going to be careful? You're not going to break till we get both autos? She's scared. She doesn't want to like ruin a card.
Yeah, I'm going.
The special card. You're going? She's going.
going.
All right, she's going. She's not scared. Just be gentle, and you're good. You're a grown-ass lady. You know how to handle this.
Grown-ass woman.
So I'm going to get some loaders ready just in case she gets a break first pack or something.
I am scared. These ones are hard
Yeah, we're
to
doing some
break.
team breaks. It's kind of cool because you get to see her experience her first. I'll tuck down here. You get to see her experience her pack breaks. She one of the other packs she opened just kind of for practice. I knew all the autos were gone, so I was like, here, let me show you how to open a pack. So go ahead, pull down to the bottom. And
Yeah, this is the way I do it. This is the way I do it.
here we go. She's gonna break the first pack for you guys here and show you what we get out of 2013 NFL Panini Prizm.
Alright, ready?
Ready? Go ahead.
Brian Hartline, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, show them nice and close so they can get an idea of what the base card looks like there.
Terrible
Sorry.
lighting.
Yep, lighting's not so great. We'll work on that in the future. But as you can see, Brian Hartline. She's not too great at showing it either. You know,
Nope.
she's just, the skills are slacking. Can you turn that light on actually, love? That would probably help. I got it. Oh, good.
Richardson.
Trent Richardson base card. You don't have to show each one. Just the first one so they get an idea. You know, they get to see what it looks like and all that.
Antonio Cromartie.
Cromartie.
DeMarco Murray, folks. Murray. I like that one. Drew Brees. Gotta show that one. Because he is our sign next.
Uh-oh, there's a
person.
rookie.
Marcus Lattimore.
Rookie. rookie card.
Up and coming.
Nice little rookie.
And Matt Barkley.
A Matt Barkley, what is it? A Matt Barkley rookie card, Panini HRX. Scan the code to unlock exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and a bunch of stuff like that. So I guess it's a cool little collectible. If anyone's collecting those, let me know. I'll sell it to you. Marcus Lattimore rookie card. That's what the rookies look like. They definitely let you know it's a rookie. Rookie! Yeah, no kidding.
Rookie!
Okay. Time for my pack. Let's see. First one to pull an autograph.
Gets $100.
I don't know what you get. Hold on, hey, calm down now. Slugger. Alright, Chris Ivory base card. Andrew Luck base card. That's actually a cool little picture. That's a good, really good picture. Andrew Luck on the run with a nice little throw. Sorry for the blur. We'll fix it in the future. Matt Flynn. Pierre Garcon.
Matt Flynn's Packer.
Roddy White. He's not a Packer on this card, though. He's a Raider. Roddy White. Here's a rookie. Darius Slay. Just a normal rookie card for the Lions, I think that was. That Lions? Yeah. And then Vance McDonald, the Panini HRX video thing. Also a rookie. Alright.
Alright, packs number 3 and 4.
I'm a little quicker than she is, a touch more experience, so I'll go with my pack first. Chris Johnson base. Frank Gore base. Darren Sproles base. Jay Cutler base. Did I get the auto? No. Quentin Patton rookie card. Rookie impact.
I feel it. This one's gotta have the auto. I feels it.
Ooh, and then back-to-back rookies. This is a nice rookie card. Robert Woods. Really nice wide receiver. If he had a better quarterback, he'd probably be doing better. Maybe I'm just full of crap. Oh, and then here's his quarterback. EJ Manuel. The HRX card of the video on the back rookie card. That's kind of funny. All right, girl, what you got?
Alright, we got Owen Daniels.
First one to get a signature, you got to drop us a lot of love in the comments down below. That's how it goes. We get bragging rights.
We got Jamal Charles.
You don't have to hand me each one.
Ryan Broyles. Matt Ryan.
Oh, one of her faves. She's a big fan of Matt
Fantasy
Ryan.
football legend. Rookie Joseph Randall.
Yeah. All right, there we go. Here, I'll pick my pack.
Rookie Derek Rogers. That's how you spell Derek. That's how you spell Derek.
The world premiere Panini stuff on the back. What's it say? Oh, that's the other
that's
one.
the other one. And
Whatever
the
that
advertisement
is.
card.
All right. Cool.
Matt Ryan.
All right, no autos yet. Go ahead, pick your pack. Oh, I feel something here, boys. I feel something sexy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, Terrell Suggs. I don't know, it feels like something's stuck, though. It's kind of bothering me. There, it was stuck. Okay. Terrell Suggs, base. Tom Brady, base. Just kidding. Hakeem Nicks, base. Oh, one more base card. Michael Crabtree, base. What is this?
Oh, it's backwards.
Jonathan
Auto.
Banks, rookie card auto. I get the bragging rights. Woo! I'm just kidding. I love you. Alright, let's get this sleeved up. Jonathan Banks, I know the name. Baseball's my #1 sport for sure.
See your face.
Talking shit over here. See you talking shit. What'd you say?
You can't see your face.
Oh, I know, you can't see my face, I'm sorry. You get to see her face, which is why you're all here anyways. Jonathan Banks. Rookie card autograph. Cornerback for the Bucks. There you you go, freshly sleeved.
Get started on my pack.
All right, whoever gets second auto gets second auto bragging rights.
So they put the autos backwards. As long as they're
Yeah, the autos,
backwards
a lot of
card.
times they go in backwards.
All right, we have Kenny Britt, Tennessee Titans. Ray Rice, okay. Dustin Keller. Some good cards here. Oh, I can't pull it up. Levante David. Calvin Johnson Jr. Everybody like that Calvin Johnson. Rex Burkhead. And DeAndre Hopkins. Panini card.
And rest of my pack after the Jonathan Banks auto, Ezekiel Ansah, rookie card. And Stedman Bailey, Yeah, Stedwin Bailey, Panini HRX deal. All right, pick your pack. If I get both autos, you're going to be pretty impressed.
Pick this one in your stack.
I'm going to land y'all. 1 and 1 is a tie. It's not really fair that I'm opening my packs first either, but it's because she's slow, so that's what
And then
happened.
we can open the
Uh-oh,
same
I see
time.
an Eddie Lacy exclusive video, so there's an Eddie Lacy for you, girl.
Ooh.
All right, Plaxico Burress, Mr. Shoot Yourself himself. Shot himself in the leg. At a club, I believe. Marcus Colston base.
Ugh, babe.
Daryl Richardson base. Jason Witten base. Sam Montgomery rookie card refractor, I think. Looks like a refractor. Pretty sure it is. Looks rainbowy. You see how it has that rainbow reflection? It is rainbow. Tyler Gray rookie. And your Eddie Lacy rookie card.
Eddie. That's in my pile.
She keeps that one. Packers. Is that the only Packers card we've gotten in this whole stack? We haven't gotten a single Charger, have we? I don't think we've gotten a single Charger in this whole deal.
Wes Welker.
Yeah, killing me here.
Vic Ballard.
Vic Ballard.
Allard. Jacoby Ford.
Come on, Packers auto. Come on.
Pat. Whoa.
And Ndamukong Suh.
Robert Griffin III.
Uh-oh, maybe a
Rookie
double-
card Cornelius Carradine.
Nice pronunciation. Crushed it.
And Cordarrelle Patterson.
Cordarrelle Patterson. All right, Denarius Moore base. Morris Claiborne base.
Woo!
Jordy! There we go. Here's a base card for the pack. She got another.
Jody.
Jordy,
Hey,
that's
put
not
them
a
in
rookie.
Cases.
I'll give him a sleeve for you.
Just let
Santana
everyone
Moss.
see.
Stephen Ridley, Monday Night Heroes card.
Monday Night Heroes.
Anybody wants that? Let me know. Probably give you for $1 or something. Philip Thomas rookie card. And Geno Smith rookie card, the Panini HRX deal.
Alrighty. Hope none of these had pickers in them.
There's no pickers in sealed boxes.
Could be.
She says that because I went to a local card shop. There's 14 packs left in an opened box. Someone bought 6 of the packs. There's 20 in a box. 3 autographs come in each box, so I figured, alright, I'll clear out the packs, just hope nobody picked it. Somebody picked it. I got no autographs in 14 packs. It's possible, but someone probably picked it. Okay.
Alright, we got on Antonio Brown. Peyton Manning. Shout out to my Super Bowl boy. Jeremy Maclin. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Rookie card, Jarvis Jones.
Nice. I'm showing that one. I think it's a refractor too. Looks like a rainbow refractor on there. Nice.
Rookie card, Eric Reed. Could be your best friend. And Tavon Austin.
Alright. Still another auto in here somewhere.
This one.
Alright. Sean Green base. Andy Dalton base. Danny Amendola the base. Steven Jackson
I'd
dropping
like to
the
point
base.
out that Gronky is also.
LaMichael James base. Terrence Williams rookie card. Probably was worth something. Was worth more before this last season. And Justin Hunter rookie card.
You're gonna get that.
Not
right
one
now.
Charger here, guys. Not one Charger. What is that? Come on now.
They're a dying breed.
They are a dying breed, apparently.
I'm gonna pull the first Charger.
Look at that.
I was right.
Oh, Charger.
Ryan
She did pull-
Matthews.
Oh, look at her. She nailed that call.
Mike Wallace. Also good on fantasy football. Devon Best. Patrick Peterson. Luke Keckley.
Peakley.
I realized that. Rookie card. Le'Veon Bell.
Ooh,
I've heard that
very
name
nice.
before.
Very nice rookie card. Hold on, let me get a sleeve for that one.
And Marcus Wheaton.
Ugh.
Rookie. There you go, your first Charger.
Let me get a 100 point for this guy. Oh, she's sneaking ahead of me over here.
Look at all of them before you
The
get-
sneaky pack opening. I see what's up. Darn it. Alright. I forgot that 130 point sleeves don't fit in smaller card cases, so I'll do that in a second. Okay. Isaac Redmond base. Jimmy Graham base.
Ooh.
Brandon Marshall base. Victor Cruz. LaShawn McCoy Brilliance card.
Ooh.
Interesting card. Jordan Reed rookie card. He's a really nice tight end. That's a nice card. I'll take that. Tyler Eifert. Rookie card for that last one.
Trade these cards.
Yeah, they trade him. Why wouldn't they?
Ooh, trade them for different services. All right, DeQuell Jackson. Bilal?
Bilal Powell.
Bilal Powell. Julio Jones.
Coach Jones.
Coach Jones. Anquan Bolden. Nice. Very nice and flattering picture right there. Robert Griffin III, Monday Night Heroes, our second RG3. Rookie card
Second Monday Night
on
Hero.
Ontario Caleb
Don't ask me.
on TVU.
I don't think he's in the league anymore, but oh well.
And Terrence Williams, Panini card.
You guys can watch their super sweet videos.
This one's the auto. This one right here.
I've been picking out of the right side, and now she's taking the right from me. I don't know. She's going to take it. Or I'll just get it right here. Eric Decker,
Yeah.
Donald Brown, Darren McFadden, Jermichael Finley, Packer card for
Woo! Jermichael, I'm gonna have the whole Packard.
you. Isaiah Reed,
Packer clan.
Isaiah Pede, I'm sorry. Andre Ellington, rookie card. He's alright, not bad. And Tyler Eifert, rookie card. The Panini Panini HRX dealio.
Alrighty, we got Steve Johnson.
4 more packs after this. The auto's
Lance.
coming. And it's coming out.
Lance Moore.
Ooh, that looks like a thick card to me. And I don't know. I can't
maybe.
see.
Stop looking at my card.
I'm getting all excited.
DeMarcus Ware. Oh, Aaron Rodgers.
Oh, it's just a base. I thought it was going to be an auto or something. I was like,
Oh,
what?
God, wouldn't it? I'll put that in there. Ooh.
That's a cool card.
Franco Harris. Decade Dominance card. Look at that. That's pretty nice.
Nice card.
Rookie. Margus Hunt. Probably pronounced Marcus, but spelled with a G. And Panini card, Robert Woods. Aaron Rodgers auto card.
All right, J.J. Watt base. Oh, I see something orange and shiny in here. I hope it's a refractor auto of someone cool. That'd be awesome. Okay, J.J. Watt.
J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt.
Anthony Fasano. Mark Ingram.
Ooh.
Antonio Gates. Hooray! It's not an auto or anything, but it's Antonio Gates. Oh, it's not an auto. It is not an auto, but it's a die cut. It's hard to hold on to because it's die cut. So here we go.
Oh, I see Packer behind.
And an Eddie Lacy rookie card. Here we go. 2 of the better running backs in the league, my friends.
Woo!
Le'Veon Bell, die cut, orange refractor, Panini Prizm. That's a super sweet card. Nice rookie. And then the next card, it's my beautiful girlfriend, Eddie Lacy rookie card.
Woo! Ow! Come on, pack auto.
And then Marcus Lattimore rookie card to finish it up.
All right. Kendall Wright. Ooh, sticky. Bernard Pierce. Not Bernardo. Bernard Pierce. Brandon Pettigrew. Brent Selleck. Ooh, another brilliance card. DeMarcus Ware. Very brilliant. Rookie Tavon Austin. And the Panini card is Quentin Patton. Quentin. Nice. Alright, babe. 2 packs left. I want this bottom one. You can have this one.
I hope we don't get gypped.
This one feels pretty thick.
Look at her, she's picking over here. She's learning quick. Alright, 2 Le'Veon Bell rookies, but the big winner is the orange Panini Prizm right there. God, I wish they were numbered though. Panini kind of gets too lazy on not numbering their cards. Okay.
Let's open it at the same time, but we won't.
It's supposed to be a review, don't look at me like that. No, mine's thick. Mine feels good. Oh, mine's just, I feel it already.
Do you?
Oh, it just looks
tell me.
sexy. No, I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know, we'll see.
No, I looked at yours. It looks good.
Mine does look good, I don't know why, but it just does. Alright, we'll start with me. I feel good about it. I feel real good about it. I don't know why. Cameron Wake. Emmanuel Sanders. Chris Givens. LaShawn McCoy.
No, he got the other auto, didn't he?
It's also stuck. Both of the autos have been like slightly sticky, which is
No, it's backwards. Oh, I picked the wrong one.
frustrating. There we go. Nice little.
Damn.
Paul Posluszny, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice linebacker.
Pooh. I'll never know what it's like to pick an auto.
You got another box coming up of baseball, not in this video, but there you go. The Paul Posluszny. Black card. I don't know if that's numbered to anything. It's not numbered. Oh, yes, it is. Hey, 17 of 25, folks.
Nice.
17 of 25. on the Paul Posluszny Refractor Auto. Beautiful card, alright. I didn't know it was numbered in there. And then to finish up here... Oh, by the way, bragging rights, down in the comments, me. Of the DNL, D got the
One
two autos.
stop break.
Jordan Power rookie card, and then Kenny Stills rookie card for that last one.
And for our last...
One stop shop and break.
For our last pack of the day, Demarius Thomas, T.Y. Hilton, Colin Kaepernick, ladies and gentlemen, Jared Allen, Decade Dominance card, Roger Staubach.
Ooh, cool.
Nice card. It's awesome. Rookie Alex Okafor. Okafor? No, it's the Okafor. And our last card, Panini Geno Smith. Boom, bam.
Alrighty, so the two big wins of the box. Well, actually, a couple of really nice wins. There's her Packer cards, the beauties, including the Eddie Lacy auto. Here, actually, give me a sleeve for that. Give you a sleeve for that real quick.
Auto.
Or rookie, sorry, not auto. My bad. Not auto, not auto. Here, this is how you put a card in. Put the corner in. No, get it, make it down in. Then you just take the corner and let it slide in.
Thank you.
Okay. This bill was numbered. I'm sorry, guys. I was missing all these numbers on here. Shoot. Okay, let's take it back a notch. Le'Veon Bell, rookie card, orange refractor, numbered to 50. Heck yeah, numbered 8 out of 50 right here. It's awesome. And we pulled the Paul Posluszny auto, numbered to 25, 17 of 25 here. And then the Jonathan Banks rookie card. This one's not numbered, but it's a rookie card autograph for Jonathan Banks. So a very nice box for Panini Prizm here. Coming through. Awesome. Another Le'Veon Bell rookie, Eddie Lacy rookie. Got some beautiful rookies. Some auto rookies, numbered autos, and numbered rookies. So can't really complain here. Oh, and it's a die cut. Obviously, you can see that, but it's a die cut rookie numbered to 50. That's nice. Cool. All right, guys. Thanks for coming by. 2013 Panini Prizm NFL. I'd recommend it if you can get it for a decent price. Probably. What did I pay? I don't know what I paid for it. But let's throw another shout out to Frank & Sons Collectibles. That's where we pick up all of our breaks. All of our breaks so far, at least, and I don't know why it would change, to be honest with you. But Frank & Sons Collectibles, they do an awesome job. Right here is a guy named Dan. He is the man. He gave me great prices on all these boxes. Sports card industry still going strong over there. That's for sure. So check him out if you're into the Southern California area. But yeah, anyways, that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for coming by. And we do have a box of baseball Panini Prizm 2015. No, that's not it. That's all right though. 2015 coming up soon. So check it out.